Hey everyone, in today's video we'll discuss how to add tracking info on Depop. Stick around till the end to learn more about this process. To add tracking info on Depop through the website, follow these steps. Go to the Depop website at depop.com and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the home screen and go to Settings. On the dashboard, you'll find your product catalog. Click on the product label for the item you want to add tracking info to. In the product information, click the option to add tracking info or mark the product as shipped. Input the shipping number provided by your shipping carrier and save the changes by clicking the Save or Update button on the screen. Click Confirm to complete the process. Depop may ask you to confirm the details of the product shipped. Follow the instructions to complete the shipment and update the status of the order. By following these steps, you can easily add tracking info on Depop. Thanks for watching.